name's Vanessa and I work as Project Officer for Ynni based in Carmarthenshire. We're a community benefit society and we work within our community to tackle climate change by reducing energy costs, promoting energy efficiency and generating clean, renewable energy. If you're looking at starting a job or a career, but you're not really sure what, don't be afraid to try anything at all. If you have things that interest you, look for job roles that are in that area if you can, but all jobs are going to give you experience, hopefully good, but even the bad experiences can be useful in later life. You can always learn what you don't want to be doing. I'd advise never to turn down the chance of work experience or personal development training. Even a short one-day course can provide an insight into an area you may not have thought about and can lead you down a new and exciting career path. My advice is always to keep your CV up to date. Fill in any courses that you've done, change your details if you need to, and have a basic cover letter written which can be adapted to suit the job role that you're applying for. And if, like me, you gain experience in several different jobs over time and you might be looking at different job roles, you can create a master CV, and from that you can pull out the relevant information for the job role you're looking at, which again will save you time and also keeps the CV relevant to the job that you're applying for. If you don't know much about the organisation or company that you're applying to work for, then my advice is to do some research before the interview. Often you'll get asked why you want to work for them, and it's good to be able to show you know something about the company. And even if they don't ask, during the interview, there's generally an opportunity to refer to information about them, which does show you've taken the time to read about their work. It shows that you want to work for them rather than just get a job. I've always found job opportunities in Carmarthenshire. I've been lucky enough to travel as well, but I always headed for home. There are jobs in Carmarthen to be had. It's a beautiful county and I spent many a lunch break overlooking a harbour or taking a walk, which is a great way to clear your head during a busy day and always made me far more productive for the rest of the afternoon. I now get to work in my own community, which means I ultimately gain from the work I'm doing. We're very focused on energy and renewable energy, which is really important. So, as I said, ultimately, I get to gain as well. Y dan gorau yw trw yn y sirga, do'n dysgu Cymraeg. Cefais fi nengi yma I dysgais yn yr ysgol, ond ni wnais I eiriod symud ymlaen. Nawr do'n cael cyfer I ymarfer a gobeithio bod yn rhugl yn diwrnod.